Ain't had no rain since I was down here last time, but you know, I've walked a couple 100 yards, I guess. Pieces of flint here and there, and I take a chance, see if this little piece down here I spotted, it looks like something. Gotta turn it on. Oh, I think it is. Oh, nice bird point. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah. That's pretty nice. Look that one up. That seems familiar. Okay, moving on. Got me and Sonny out today, and we're back on a permission we thought we lost, but we got it back. We've only been here about 20 minutes, and really trashy in here. And just popped out a brownness right there. Good size. It's a button. It's got a good shank on it. Yeah, it's convexed. Can't really make out anything on it. I don't have my glasses on. There's something on it. Let's see if I can clean it a little bit and I'll get a picture of it.